What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Ryan here with Morbidly Travels, and we are in Rome, Italy.
Scusi, mi scusi.
No. This should be a dope few days. Man, come hang out with me. I don't know why I'm so close right now, but there's all kinds of stuff. Already, my friend here. One thing about Paris, especially like the city center, is everybody's kind of rude. Yeah, I've gotten waves, people are already holding doors open. Just ended up at Monte Street Bistro for some food. I don't know why I'm serenading you guys right now, but check out these cocktail lists. Nuts. I got the bruschetta cocktail on the bruschetta, €12 combination deal they got. Cocktail is a gin tea for me. It is absolutely delicious. It's gin, some other stuff. Jennifer has some elf something. It's pretty good. Monte Street Bistro was absolutely fantastic. Super friendly staff and really good food. They offer these delicious deals that include an entree and a drink for €12, which is not bad. All in all, Monte Street Bistro, fantastic place to get some food. Jennifer and I decided to venture out and do something off the beaten path and go do a haunted ghost tour. Right, so we're out trying to do a walking ghost tour. No idea where to go.
A few moments later.
We found him.
Oh, hi. I'm a blogger too, so
oh, really?
Yes, I can relate. We are starting in 1 minute, okay? Trying to wait for the other people.
Oh, we're not the last ones.
No, no,
oh, thank
God. No, sir.
Thank goodness. Oh, jeez. This tour starts off at the Castel Sant Angelo, where we learn about Beatrice Cenci, who was executed in 1599 for killing her abusive father. It's said that if you're lucky, you can catch Beatrice with head in hand walking the bridge on September 11th. Side note, this bridge has really dope statues. Getting the ghost stories already. Rome's a violent place. So
are approved by the most important historicals and people we have here in Rome. My grandparents.
These haunted legends are passed
Not only my
along from
grandparents,
generation to
my
generation.
grandparents really are the best in giving me all the tips about Rome because they are still alive. I still have 3 grandparents. But now I'm telling you about the executioner we had in Rome. One in particular was a rock star, guys. He was the best one. He was so great.
The executioner she's talking about here is Giovanni Batista Bugatti, known as Maestro Tita. It's said that Giovanni executed 514 people during his 68 years of activity. Nuts.
A letter about the execution of the executioner Maestro Tita, Erboia di Roma, the Roma execution. They say, I told you I discovered all these things about Colosseum. I read that Roman people, during gladiator game, was responsible for the almost first extinction of the African animals. Because we butchered around 10,000 animals for only 5 days of gladiator games. Tigers, elephants, you know, this kind of stuff. I was so sad. I cried when I was reading these essays. I was, oh my god, it's not possible. You know, but it's interesting to know this stuff about the Colosseum, the underground, and the elevator we had to put the gladiator like
10,000 animals for 5 days.
This makes
We enter this dark alley to learn about the Madonnella, portraits of the Virgin Mary throughout the city to prevent Rome's street crimes.
Hi, I have a friend who'd like to introduce you. That lady over here, you see, it's a Virgin Mary. okay? We call them Madonnella. And this Madonna who is looking like you, like the big brothers, okay? She's watching you, telling you, "Hey guys, what are you doing in front of me?" Think twice. And people were so scared to be judged by the Virgin Mary that it may sound strange, but the criminality level went down about the 70%, guys.
All around Rome, you'll find these really cool water fountains that are just out and about. It's free, clean drinking water, and it tastes absolutely amazing.
Another one, and full of friends.
Safe to drink, then, right? I mean,
Yes, please refill your flask and bottle. It's going to save you your life these days here in Rome. So it's very precious in the morning. Buy only one bottle or buy a flask, and you know you can refill it every time you see a fountain like that. So for now, now starts the story.
There's blood.
No. Okay, yes, we love blood, but not so much.
There's blood in it. Oh my God. Here we spoke with the ghost of Giulia Tofana, who was responsible for the death of over 600 men. Giulia invented a poison called Aqua Tofana. Of course she named it after herself. This poison was odorless and tasteless, and it was sold to wives to slip it to their abusive husbands in their meals.
creepy lights. Creepy lights. I saw a sign.
If you guys can see it, man, this tour's been pretty cool so far. Just going through learning about the history of death here. Yeah, super crowded area. Like, there's all kinds of things back there. We made our way to Piazza Del Biscioni, which has a ton of bars and restaurants, but it also holds a dark secret.
This very, very cheerful and bright square is where they used to execute the witches. Crazy how times change, huh?
This market also hosts a statue of Giordano Bruno, who was burned at the stake in the 16th century for believing that Earth wasn't the center of an endless universe.
Look how angry he is, huh? We can relate, right?
The last stop on this tour takes you to the death site of Julius Caesar. It's crazy to be able to visit these places that you only read about in history books.
This is where Julius Caesar was killed. Oh, nuts. I got you guys on it there.
No problem. Hi, you're recording a video.
I'm recording.
It's fast, but that's nice, sir. Okay.
When in Rome, right? Gotta try the gelato. It's like being in Paris and not eating crepes.
After the tour, we stopped off at the Gelateria Argentina. I'll put it up on the screen to get some of the best gelato in Rome. It was so good.
Big shout out to Ariana for an awesome tour. Definitely check out the Haunted Ghost tours. Dope.
This Haunted Ghost tour was well worth the money, coming in at around €25 per person. The tour itself took about 2 hours to complete and took you all over the city center. Guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And be sure to check out these other great videos right here.